Hello guys, once again welcome to our channel Raindrop. Let's start. What if I told you everything around you, your phone, your hands, even your thoughts, might not be real? That our universe could just be lines of code in an ultra-advanced simulation? Sounds like sci-fi, but top scientists, billionaires, and even quantum physics suggest it's possible. Let's break it down. The idea is simple. A future civilization with godlike tech could create hyper-realistic simulations of ancestors like us playing, but with conscious AI. Philosopher Nick Bostrom argues if this is possible, odds are the Sims, not the creators. Elon Musk puts it at billions to one we're in base reality. If humans master VR or AI in 1,000 years, why wouldn't they run billions of ancestor sims? Statistically, we're probably in one. Ever feel reality is off? Like the Berenstain Bears actually being Berenstain? Thousands swear it changed, a possible simulation update. Even science hints at weirdness. In quantum physics, particles act differently when, like rendering only when you look. CERN's Large Hadron Collider. There are theories it could, well, hack reality's code. Deja vu, some think of it as potential memory reloads. And NPC-like behavior, ever meet someone who feels? We're already building proto-simulations. Meta's VR avatars make eye contact, Unreal Engine 5 creates photoreal worlds, and AI like ChatGPT passes the Turing test. If we're this close after 100 years of tech, imagine a more. Future humans could easily simulate us. 60% of young adults use virtual worlds, according to Pew Research. AI GPT-4 scores in the top 10% on IQ tests. And Moore's law computing power doubles every 2 years. Here's the catch. If this is sim, the creators would hide it. You can't Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete out of reality. Even if we found pixels in space, that could just be deeper code. As physicist Silas Bean says, the simulators can just rewind and fix the glitch. If a game NPC asked, "Am I real?" could it ever truly know? So, are we in a simulation? Maybe. But here's the twist. It doesn't matter. Love, pain, joy, they feel real to you. So live fiercely. After all, if this is a game, why not play it on Legendary mode? What do you think? Vote in the poll and drop your wildest sim theories below. And if you're questioning everything now, hit like and subscribe for more mind-bending science. If you like our efforts on this video, then please like, share, and subscribe our channel, Raindrop. Thanks a lot for watching.